We are able to arrest over 60 motorcycles. Before this time, there were awareness created to make sure that they leave the routes. Accepted, they are supposed to operate within the interiors, from the inside to the road to bring the passengers. But you realize that they are now competing with vehicular movement on the expressway.
Part of what we are achieving with this operation is to checkmate the criminal activity of some of these Okada riders. Any Okada rider you see that can disobey the law can commit a crime.